What is going on, guys? It's your boy Chris NYC, guys. Now I've been gone for a minute, and yes, as you can see, my Scatpack is looking way different than what it was when I first got it, guys. I was not gonna do a video till my car was complete because I do got some other parts coming in. As you can see, we're at the Dallas Cowboys headquarters, the facility, and yes, it's a Mopar at a Ford spot, or the Ford Center, what they call it over here. But figured I'll do the review or update on the car. So as you can see, I have a front splitter. I actually got that splitter from King's Wrap. I believe that out in California, somewhere around there. One of my buddies in the Mopar community actually informed me that has some nice splitters. So I checked it out, got me one of that. I decided to get the wrap on the steel rod to make that red pop out just a little bit more. And as you can see, it has the dual racing stripe going on. That's a wrap. The 3M is called Dragonfire Red, which is it's a real nice red. As you can see, looking real good. And like I was mentioning, guys, I got a couple of other parts coming in, and I actually got some of the packages at the house, just waiting on a couple of things to happen and get those bad boys installed. Love that little thing right there. It's called the winglet. Sorry guys, it's a little windy. It is a little windy over here in Dallas today, but we gonna make it work, you know, hopefully. Oh guys, I'm also shooting in a new camera. I received the Canon G7X PowerShot Mark II, something like that. Got as a gift. But yeah, so let's take a look around the Charger. As you can see, this is the back of it. Looking crazy. I decided to add the carbon exhaust 5-inch ceramic coating. Decided to get the diffuser on it. I forgot what that is called, but I thought it looked cool with it. I also got this cool little decal, man. Thought I'd give it a nice look to it, and it does definitely give it a great look to it, man. It looks like it's actually built onto the thing, so a lot of people got that kind of confused. Got a wicker belt too. That's also from King's Wrap. So you can see, I didn't go with the what's it called, the glass. I just didn't think it was gonna look good with that red trim around it. As you can see, I just like that curve, you know, that little curve right there, super dope, you know. So I left that alone and decided to go with no freaking glass. But man, guys, this thing sounds super good. Maybe you guys can hear it. Did a mid muffler delete on it. Also got, like, you know, a couple of wraps going on. I gotta fix that. Nothing crazy though. But let's check out some of the insides that I got, you know. Some of the cosmetic, I did mods on the inside. Now check this out. I thought this would be unique. Simple little things like that can make a big difference, you know. As you guys can tell, you know, I have the red interior, so I decided to add a little red on the steering wheel. Still mad Dodge decided to do all this. Come on now. As you can see, the seats on that thing, red interior. Now guys, I actually just got this installed, and it's the Starlight, the Rolls Royce. Those are the lights it's called. I don't have a sunroof. Now, I'm glad I don't have a sunroof, because look how nice that thing looks. That thing is crazy. Now I can change it to different colors. As you can see, it'll go to red, it'll go to green, go to blue, go to white, yellow, blue, or turquoise, whatever it's called, pink. I like it white or red. Blue's cool too. Red is nice. Check that out. Come on now. Shout out to my guys over there at Pulse Audio, man, Hurst, Texas. If you need stuff like this or anything on your car, truck, whatever, they got you, man. Tell them I sent you. I'll leave the link in IG or their information down in the description down below if you're in the Dallas area. Definitely want to hit them up. I also got these little things, man, on the cup holders. You know, little simple things like that. Decided to change the mats on that too. But as far as the inside, those are the things that I changed it up, man. You guys let me know, man. What do you guys think? Simple mods. Oh, more mods are coming in, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video. Still not done. Once it's fully done, it should be done by the beginning of the year, somewhere around that area. Maybe going half of the beginning of the month. But should be done around that time. Just waiting on a couple of things. And it's gonna be sick, guys. Trust me. I did all these little mods you see, man, all like around about 3 weeks ago, something like that, about a month. I just haven't did videos. If you follow me on the IG, you can definitely know for sure there first. I'll leave that in the link below too. I also got an IG for the car, because the car is I call it the Bloody Scat because of the black and red theme going on, you know. Yeah, buddy. Thing's sick, guys, man. Comment down below what you guys think, man. I decided to name the video the starter kit for a Scatpack charger, or for a charger period, just because I've been stopped for a couple of months since I got the car. You know, I've been having a lot of compliments from any type of human being, man, when they were stopped. Now that I got these cosmetic mods, man, crazy reaction. I be going to car meets. I be having a lot of love, man. There's some people that don't want to look at it, but they know they gotta look at it because it's, come on, man. Just look at that, come on. And it's only gonna get better, man, trust me. You know, so yeah, guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the Chris NYC show. Hit the comment sections, hit the like buttons, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you go check out some of my old videos and learn a little bit more about me and all that. So yeah, my channel is just strictly cars, little vlogs here and there. But yeah, so I decided to make this video and show you guys how the Scatpack is looking. Got the carbon exhaust decal up there. Shout outs to them. Good product. Yeah, guys, I'm excited for you guys to actually look at the finished outcome. It's gonna be crazy, man. Crazy. Now, I know, guys, I haven't been vlogging for a minute just because I've been busy with work and all that stuff, with life, period. But it's all good. Nothing crazy, you know. And yeah, man, I'll be vlogging a lot more since I got these mods going into the charger, to the Bloody Scatpack, you know. In person, guys, this light looks a little yellow, but on the camera it's looking real bluish, man. But yeah, that's one thing I've been deciding if I should change that or not, man. You guys let me know if you change yours. It said it brings the HID package, but I don't know. That's just me. You see the fog light looks a little bit more blue. You see that? Yeah, might have to order me some low beams. But yeah, guys, let's check out the starlights one more time. Jeez. Yeah, guys, turn off the light. Yeah, let's focus. Man, come on, guys. Would you do this to the charger if that was you? Crazy. All right, guys, I'm gonna end the video, man. I will be updating on the charger whenever it's ready to roll, you know. Like I said, it should be done by the beginning of next year. or halfway. And that's perfect because that's around my birthday area. So, hey, I guess that'll be the present, you know, for my gift it's a birthday gift, you know. It's your boy Chris NYC, man. We out, man. Peace.